Toothpaste not only cleans our teeth, but also protects our oral health. Colgate is a renowned toothpaste brand, helping to prevent cavities and bad breath. Today, Colgate is available in over 150 countries.
The history of Colgate began in the 19th century when William Colgate founded a small business. Today, it has grown into a leading oral care brand. Initially, toothpaste was sold in jars, but innovation brought us the convenience of the tube, making it easier to use. The Colgate Factory produces 1 million tubes of toothpaste daily. The process begins with weighing and mixing ingredients like fluoride, abrasives, and flavorings. Processed by specialized machinery to ensure consistency and quality. Large aluminum vats are used to cook the mixture to prevent any unwanted chemical reactions. Every detail matters. The smoothness of the toothpaste depends on precise mixing, while colors are added in the lab.
toothpaste is inspected, packaged,